There's two different ways to use the reverse button on the Pfaff Quilt Ambition 630 sewing machine. So first off, you use it to lock your stitches. So if you're taking a few stitches forward and you want it to go back, you can touch it while you're sewing and the machine will back up. So let go and back up. So if you get to the end and you want to lock it, you can just touch it while you're sewing. Because if you touch it when you're not sewing, nothing happens except a light turns on by the reverse symbol. So now if I sewed, that reverse light means it's going to go backwards until I turn that light off. So I'm touching it when I'm stopped and I have control whether it's sewing forward or sewing backwards. So you do have to know, let's turn it off. Let's just say I'm coming to the end of my fabric. A lot of people will get in the habit of just touching, holding, releasing until you get all the way to the end of your fabric. Use the thread snips to cut the thread and pull it out. And that last little bit that you stitched over is very, very well secured. But just note, if you see the light on, you're going to have stitching going in reverse permanently. Now you will see us use this button in other ways in association with the immediate tie-off button and using it to end a pattern when you want to stitch it all the way to the end and not stop in the middle of a decorative stitch.